Understanding the concept of manifestation fundamentally shifted my perception of reality and transformed my life in profound ways. Manifestation isn't just about wishing for something and waiting for it to happen. It's about aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our desires. This alignment taps into a universal principle that what we focus on expands. The essence of manifestation lies in the intricate dance between our inner world and the outer reality. Let's explore this transformative process step by step. The power of belief. Belief is the cornerstone of manifestation. We often hear that we need to believe in something for it to come true, but what does that truly mean? Our beliefs shape our perception and, consequently, our reality. When we genuinely believe in the possibility of something, we start to see opportunities where others see obstacles. This belief shifts our mindset from a state of lack to a state of abundance. Think about a time when you were confident about achieving a goal. Your belief in your ability to succeed likely propelled you to take necessary actions, overcome challenges, and ultimately reach your objective. This is the power of belief at work. On the other hand, when we doubt ourselves, we hesitate, second-guess our choices, and often sabotage our own efforts. To harness the power of belief, we must first identify and challenge our limiting beliefs. These are deep-seated notions that tell us we can't, we shouldn't, or we're not good enough. They often originate from past experiences, societal conditioning, or negative self-talk. By recognizing these beliefs, we can start to reframe them into empowering ones. For example, if you believe that financial success is unattainable for you, you'll unconsciously make decisions that keep you financially stuck. But if you shift that belief to one where you see financial success as achievable and within your grasp, your actions will align with this new belief, opening up new possibilities. The energy of emotions. Emotions play a pivotal role in the manifestation process, acting as a bridge between our thoughts and the reality we experience. When we understand how to harness the energy of our emotions, we can significantly enhance our ability to manifest our desires. Emotions are the fuel that powers our intentions, giving them the vibrancy and intensity needed to bring them to life. Imagine emotions as a spectrum, with love, joy, and gratitude on one end, and fear, doubt, and anger on the other. The emotions on the positive end of the spectrum vibrate at a higher frequency, attracting positive experiences and outcomes. Conversely, negative emotions vibrate at a lower frequency, drawing in more of what we don't want. This is not just a philosophical idea, but is supported by scientific studies on the effects of positive thinking and emotional states on our physiological and psychological health. The key to leveraging the power of emotions in manifestation is to cultivate and sustain high-vibration emotions. This doesn't mean ignoring or suppressing negative emotions, but rather acknowledging them, understanding their root causes, and then consciously choosing to shift towards a more positive emotional state. One effective way to do this is through the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is a potent emotional state that can transform our perception and attract abundance into our lives. When we focus on what we are grateful for, we shift our attention from what we lack to what we have. This shift in focus changes our energy and, by extension, the energy we project into the world. We begin to notice more things to be grateful for, creating a positive feedback loop that enhances our overall well-being. Visualization is another powerful tool for aligning our emotions with our desires. When we vividly imagine achieving our goals, we evoke the emotions associated with that success. Our brain cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one, which means that visualization can effectively trick our mind into feeling the emotions of success before it physically happens. This emotional experience can then guide our actions and decisions, making the manifestation of our goals more likely. Consider the practice of meditation as a means to regulate and elevate our emotional state. Through meditation, we can calm the mind, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. This state of calm allows us to connect more deeply with our desires and intentions, free from the clutter of negative emotions. Regular meditation can also enhance our intuition, helping us to make choices that are in alignment with our highest good. It's important to be aware of the emotional energy we carry throughout our day. Our interactions, environment, and even the media we consume can influence our emotional state. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences, engaging in activities that bring us joy, and practicing self-care are all crucial for maintaining a high-vibration emotional state. It's about creating an environment, both internal and external, that supports our manifestation efforts. Reflect on how you feel when you think about your goals and desires. Are you filled with excitement and anticipation, or do you feel anxious and doubtful? Your emotional response is a clear indicator of whether you are in alignment with your desires. If negative emotions arise, don't judge yourself harshly. Instead, see them as signals that offer valuable insight into areas where you might need to shift your focus or beliefs. Imagine the sense of liberation that comes with knowing you have the power to choose your emotional state. This awareness empowers you to become a conscious creator of your reality. When you feel an emotion that doesn't serve your highest good, you have the ability to acknowledge it, understand its origin, and then consciously pivot towards a more empowering emotion. This practice, over time, rewires your brain and emotional patterns, making positive emotions your default state. As you continue to refine your emotional awareness and mastery, you'll find that your ability to manifest your desires becomes more fluid and effortless. The energy of your emotions will act as a magnet, drawing in experiences and opportunities that resonate with your highest aspirations. This is not about pretending to be happy all the time, but rather cultivating a deep sense of inner harmony and alignment with your true self. The journey of mastering your emotions is deeply personal and transformative. It requires patience, self-compassion, and a commitment to growth, but the rewards are immense. As you learn to navigate the landscape of your emotions, you'll unlock a powerful force within you, capable of bringing your dreams into reality. The alignment of actions. Manifestation is not merely a mental or emotional exercise. It requires tangible actions that align with our intentions. The interplay between thought, emotion, and action is crucial in bringing our desires into the physical realm. While belief and emotional energy set the stage, it is through our actions that we materialize our dreams. The concept of alignment is central to understanding how actions influence manifestation. Alignment means that our actions are consistent with our beliefs and emotions. If we believe in a possibility and feel positively about it, but our actions contradict these beliefs and feelings, we create friction that hinders manifestation. For example, if you believe in financial abundance and feel excited about it but continue to engage in habits that lead to financial instability, your actions are misaligned with your intentions. To achieve alignment, we must take conscious, deliberate steps that move us closer to our goals. This often involves setting clear, actionable goals and breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. The clarity of our goals helps us to focus our energy and efforts effectively. It's essential to be specific about what we want to achieve and outline the steps required to get there. Consider the role of discipline and consistency in this process. Manifestation is not about sporadic bursts of effort, but rather sustained, consistent action towards our goals. This consistency builds momentum and creates a cumulative effect, where even small actions, repeated over time, lead to significant results. Think of it as planting seeds and nurturing them regularly. Eventually, they will grow and bear fruit. Another aspect of aligned action is the willingness to step out of our comfort zones. Manifestation often requires us to take risks and embrace new opportunities. This can be daunting, as it involves facing uncertainty and the possibility of failure. However, growth and transformation lie beyond the boundaries of our comfort zones. By taking bold actions that stretch our limits, we signal to the universe our commitment to our desires, thereby attracting corresponding opportunities and resources. Visualizing the desired outcome while taking action can enhance the manifestation process. When we visualize, we create a mental image of our success, which guides our actions and decisions. This mental rehearsal prepares us for the real experience, making us more confident and capable. Coupling visualization with action bridges the gap between intention and reality, reinforcing our belief in the possibility of our goals. It's also important to cultivate an attitude of openness and flexibility. While it's crucial to have a clear plan, we must remain open to adjustments and unexpected opportunities. Manifestation is a dynamic process, and sometimes the path to our goals may take unforeseen turns. By staying flexible, we can adapt to new circumstances and seize opportunities that align with our intentions, even if they come in unexpected forms. Reflect on the role of inspired action, actions that feel intuitively right and energizing. These actions often arise from a place of inner guidance and alignment with our true desires. When we act from inspiration, our efforts feel effortless and joyful, and the results tend to flow more naturally. Pay attention to moments of inspiration and act on them promptly, as they often pave the way for significant breakthroughs. Consider how you can integrate these principles into your daily life. Start by identifying one goal you wish to manifest and outline the actions required to achieve it. Break these actions into smaller, manageable steps and commit to taking at least one step daily. Notice how your belief, emotional state, and actions align and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and stay committed to your vision. The alignment of actions with our beliefs and emotions transforms the abstract into the concrete. It's through our actions that we demonstrate our commitment to our desires and bring them into reality. This process requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to evolve. As we align our actions with our intentions, we become active participants in the creation of our reality, harnessing the full power of manifestation. The art of letting go. The final and perhaps most profound aspect of manifestation is the art of letting go. This concept often feels counterintuitive because it involves releasing our tight grip on our desires and trusting the process. Letting go does not mean giving up on our goals. Rather, it means relinquishing the anxiety and desperation that can accompany our pursuit of them. It is about cultivating a state of trust and surrender, knowing that the universe is working in our favor. One of the fundamental principles of letting go is understanding that attachment to the outcome creates resistance. When we are overly attached to a specific result, we generate a sense of neediness and lack, which can obstruct the flow of manifestation. This attachment often stems from fear of failure, fear of the unknown, or fear of not being enough. By letting go of these fears, we create a space for our desires to manifest naturally. Trusting the process is integral to letting go. This trust is rooted in the belief that the universe has a broader perspective than we do, and that it will bring us what we need, even if it doesn't match our exact expectations. Trust allows us to remain open to the myriad ways our desires can come to fruition. Sometimes, the universe delivers our dreams in forms we couldn't have imagined, which often turn out to be even better than we envisioned. Letting go requires us to live in the present moment. When we are fully present, we are not fixated on the future or the past. We are engaged with the now. This present moment awareness enables us to appreciate the journey rather than being solely focused on the destination. It is in the present moment that we find joy, gratitude, and contentment, emotions that align us with the energy of our desires and facilitate manifestation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help us cultivate this state of presence and trust. Through these practices, we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without becoming entangled in them. We develop the ability to witness our desires and intentions from a place of detachment, allowing us to release the need for immediate results. This detachment is not about apathy, but about maintaining a balanced perspective. Another aspect of letting go is embracing uncertainty. Life is inherently unpredictable, and our path to manifestation will inevitably involve unknowns. Embracing uncertainty means finding comfort in not having all the answers and trusting that each step will reveal itself in due time. It is about being open to the journey and the lessons it brings, even if they deviate from our original plans. Consider the role of faith in this process. Faith is the unwavering belief in the unseen, the confidence that what we desire is already on its way, even if we cannot yet see it. This faith acts as a powerful catalyst for manifestation, as it keeps us aligned with our intentions without succumbing to doubt or impatience. Faith allows us to release the how and when, focusing instead on maintaining our alignment with our desires. Reflect on the importance of detachment from specific outcomes. When we set a goal, it's natural to have a vision of how it should manifest. However, rigidly clinging to this vision can limit the universe's ability to deliver something even greater. By detaching from specific outcomes, we open ourselves to infinite possibilities and allow the universe to work its magic in ways we might not anticipate. Letting go also involves releasing control. As humans, we often feel the need to control every aspect of our lives. This need for control can create stress and resistance, hindering the manifestation process. By surrendering control, we acknowledge that while we can influence our reality through our thoughts, emotions, and actions, we are also part of a larger, interconnected web of existence. This surrender is a profound act of trust and humility. As you integrate the art of letting go into your manifestation practice, notice how it transforms your experience. You may find that life flows more smoothly, synchronicities increase, and your desires manifest with greater ease. Letting go is not about abandoning your dreams, but about creating an environment of trust and openness where they can flourish. In conclusion, manifestation is a holistic process that involves aligning our beliefs, emotions, actions, and ability to let go. Each aspect is interconnected, creating a harmonious pathway for our desires to manifest. By mastering the art of letting go, we complete the cycle of manifestation, allowing our dreams to unfold in their own perfect timing and form. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, trusting that the universe always has your highest good in mind.